Hey friends, welcome to or welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name's Kristen, and today I'm going through a bunch of nail charms that I got from TEMU. I needed to do a bit of a restock, so I got a bunch of cool stuff and I'm excited to show you. If that sounds like a good time, be sure to stick around to the end, like, and subscribe. So my biggest splurge from this haul would be this 8,000 piece set of flat back pearls that come in white, pink, black, and then multicolor, and they're all sorted by size. I just find myself using a lot of flat back pearls to kind of fill space on nails. I like the way they look, and it seemed like a good little investment for me. I think it was like $7 or $8. Next are these black heart charms that have the Vivienne Westwood kind of space orb around them, if you know what I mean. I do love these, but I found that like 2 out of 5 of the charms were like a little less black and a little duller. I don't know if you can kind of tell. This is one of the more dull ones that I just picked up, so I don't know. They were like nice, but I feel like only 3 of them were like the quality I wanted, you know? And then I also got this pack of matte black bows, although one shiny bow did find its way into here. I think it was a 30 pack and it came with like 3 different bow shapes. And I've got Halloween nails on my mind. I want to do so many different like vampy type press-on sets. So a lot of the charms you're going to see in this haul are kind of leaning into that Halloween season a little bit. Maybe I'm getting too ahead of myself because it is summer and all, but whatever. Then I got this, I think 10 pack of handcuff charms. They're kind of like dangly. And yeah, they're great actually. I'm working on a set right now and I used one of these and I love them and I can see myself using them for some of my press-on sets. I wanted to get some cross charms in bulk, and I specifically wanted ones that looked a bit more edgy, almost leaning more masculine, because I do have a male friend that I wanna I wanna see if I can get a nail charm on him. But yeah, so I like these. It comes in 2 different no, yeah, 2 different styles, 2 different colors. I'm so iffy about bronze. I feel like I don't even know what to do with it. So if you use bronze nail charms, can you like leave a comment and let me know like what colors you like to use with them? I know what to do with silver, but I never know what to do with the bronze, so I would love to hear some ideas. But yeah, so I think that was a 50-piece set. And then these ones are a 3-piece set, which makes absolutely no sense whatsoever. It should be 2 or 4. I don't know. But these are going to make the cutest little vampire nails. I'm going to make some red ones, like red stilettos, and use these, I think. And one of them was kind of like messed up. The dangly part was really stiff, but I'm probably only going to use 2 of them anyway. Next, I got these chrome hearts, but I didn't realize that they were jewelry beads when I ordered them, so they are not flat back and they have holes through them. So I'm feeling a bit iffy about buying these, although I kind of realized after that maybe I could put some of my piercing charms through them, which might make them look cool. So anyway, we will see. My sister makes jewelry, so maybe she'll like some of those as well. And then I restocked on some star charms. Normally I find these charms with this space themed charm pack you can buy, but this one was all stars, silver, black, and then gold. We all know I'm probably never going to use the gold ones. And then I got this pack of roses that are like red and black. I think this was like 100 pack. I don't know, or maybe it was just like a fill the bag kind of situation. At first, I wasn't really loving the quality of these. I think with some top coat, it'll like bring them to life more. I'm pretty sure the ad said that they were glow in the dark, but they are definitely not. But yeah, they should look good with some of the vampy sets that I have in mind coming up. So then I also got some chrome bows, and this is like a mixed pack. I think there's 4 different bow styles in here, if not 5. And just where I've been kind of feeling chrome lately. I know it's like trendy too, but yeah, I just thought that these would be a great little addition to my collection. And I mean, I use bows quite a lot. What I wish I had picked up and I didn't was that there's these like iridescent bows that you can get. And yeah, anyway, I wish I'd picked those up too, but whatever. These ones will be good, and I've already used them a few times. I'm wondering if that chrome is going to kind of wipe off as I like wear my nails, so we will see. Then I picked up this 10 pack of 4 pointed stars. And when I first got them, I was like, hey, did I not get that many? But they're just little. And I did get 10 of them. And these are mostly for like to be little space fillers for me. So I definitely think I will get use out of them. I can see myself using all of them. And what are these? Oh, these are like these little, I don't know, like devil masks. They're kind of like a spooky Halloween mask type thing. I'm sure you've seen them. There's this artist on Instagram, Diablo Nails, and she uses these charms a lot, and I'm hella inspired by her work. So, yeah, you can thank her for that. And then next, I got these rose buds that are kind of like, I don't know what to call this effect, like where it's like chrome, but then there's like the darkness to it, similar to those beaded hearts. Anyway, if there's a word for that, I wish I knew it in this moment. And again, you know, Halloween nail vibes, like haunted rose garden, vampire. Although these these that I'm showing you now are like not on theme with the rest of the haul. They are glow in the dark though, and I don't actually show it. I just kind of test it out for myself. I was like, yep, all right, they glow. Great. So these are kind of like dainty, iridescent roses. I should probably use these soon and make some sort of summer set. I don't like the orange ones for some reason, or I feel like the orange really throws off the vibe of this whole magical garden aesthetic. So, yeah, these are super pretty and I love that they glow. All right, next I got these eyeball, like cute monster charms. It took me a while to like get into the like eyeball trend, to be honest, but again, I thought it would be cute for Halloween. I love the like black ones with the pink eye, and then the little like kitty ones I think would be cute for some more like kawaii sets. So yeah, I got a good selection, almost like a little starter pack of monster eyes, and I'll give them a try and see if I like them on my nails. And then I got a mixed pack, I think of 30 Sanrio charms. It might be 50, actually. I don't know. I'm bad with math. But yeah, so I knew that these wouldn't be like the best quality, but I've been wanting to make some Kuromi charms and I just wasn't ready to try to sculpt my own Kuromi charms yet, although it's like on my mind, you know? Some of them are kind of messed up, like this one's printed wrong. It's like printed backwards, so the front has nothing to show. And there was like a couple. This one I actually fixed just by painting the back of it black. And yeah, so I only really wanted the Kuromi and the Hello Kitty and the My Melody. I don't know what to do with that little like dog or the yellow thing. Yeah, look, this one is messed up too. It's like printed wrong, and I can't really salvage those ones. I think I just tossed them. So yeah, they're not the best quality. I wish that I was like at the level where I felt confident to just sculpt my own charms like this, but maybe someday. Anyway, they'll work for now, and the next video I'm working on is a Kuromi set, and they're turning out amazing, so stay tuned for that next week. Then I got these really chunky heart charms that have like, I don't know, like barbed wire almost wrapped around them. And I mean, they look really cool and super goth. The pack I got was just 5 mixed colors, so I got 2 black ones, 1 pink one, 2 blue ones, although the blues were different shades of blue. So yeah, I can see myself using the black ones for sure, and probably the pink one. They're very chunky, but I'm okay with that. I got a 10 pack of these silver bows that have a clear heart charm in the center. I do have a bit of buyer's remorse on these. I was kind of like, I'm not sure if they're really giving what I wanted them to give. From a distance, they kind of have like spider vibes, which I will likely play into in October. But yeah, not totally sure about that purchase, but we will see. I got a 50 pack of these chrome hearts. The only downside to this was I couldn't get a mixed pack. I had to choose which size I wanted. So I think I just picked like the second to smallest size. I can definitely see myself getting a lot of use out of these, like chrome hearts. I do feel like they're the type of charm where the chrome coating will like wipe away or wear away as I wear them. So I'm going to keep that in mind and probably do some sort of base coat, top coat thing to seal them in when I actually use them for nails. I got this variety pack of pink and silver charms because pink nails with lots of charms is totally my happy place. I really liked the container that these came in, although I was like, not too smart here. Yeah. So storage be damned. These are all mixed together now. But yeah, they cute. I really like them. I'll definitely use them. Then I got a 10 pack of these silver safety pin charms. They're still not the safety pin charms I want, to be honest. Like, I cannot find the ones that I want, but these will do, and they're smaller than the ones I got last haul. So maybe someday I'll find the ones I want. And then this is just a straight up restock. I've purchased this before. I've used pretty much all of them except for the gold. Shocker. So yeah, I love those for junk nails. And these are some kind of celestial star charms. They kind of are giving me anchor vibes a little bit, which I don't love because it's supposed to be like stardust, but it kind of looks like a rope. You know what I mean, but I'm still gonna use them for my junk nails. Oh, I think these were actually the last thing I was gonna show. So instead of ending the video here, I thought it might be fun to kind of do a speed round of me organizing all the charms. So let's do that, and then I'll say goodbye. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, you're amazing. I appreciate you so much. And subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned for next week's video. And yeah, again, thank you all so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.